6 a.m. headed to Creek.
The boys are here. See if we made it from Penn State. Matt made it from Rhode Island. And I made it from the Yanta. The guy that knows nothing about GoPro has the GoPro Hero 8. We made it to Creek, but we're not going here. We're going to South. Because today is opening day. We're gonna shred the park.
Made it to Creek. We're not going to this one though. We're going to South Peak.
We made it to Creek. We are passing Main Creek and we're going to other creek.
South Peak, baby. South Peak opening weekend.
We're about to
Not even recording. The chips and salsa.
Hey.
The Red Bull. What's going on, guys? Mountain Creek opening day, South Peak. We're with the boys. We're shredding. Phew. First runs of the season on an actual mountain and not on my campus.
The pizzas are the most dangerous.
I know, dude. My findings are so bad. You good? That's ice. Oh. Oh shit. No. Oh. Yeah, that was a good jump though. Right into the rock. Look at this guy. How's it going, Safeway? I hope you enjoyed that vlog. This is a good way to end it with Safeway peeing in the background. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Make sure to like and subscribe. More videos coming very soon.